A new milestone today for Oregon as the state has now recorded more than 500,000 positive COVID cases since the pandemic started 2 years ago. And Oregon health leaders met today as positive test rates keep rising. The very contagious Omicron variant continues to spread rapidly. Now, Lisa Balick was there and joins us from downtown Portland. A lot of Oregonians want to know, Lisa, what happened to these 6 million test kits that the state ordered for everyone?
Well, I found out those test kits have been arriving and they've been going out to hospitals and schools. New vaccine clinics opening around the state, like this one today at Langer Farms in Sherwood. But even the head of the Oregon Health Authority acknowledges that's not what most people are after.
Testing demand is also running rampant.
I found out today the state is sending the hundreds of thousands of test kits it's getting in directly to hospitals for healthcare workers, also to schools to help them stay open, and sending them to specific at-risk groups.
We're not offering the limited online direct-to-consumer opportunities some other states have provided. Instead, we want to make sure tests are available to people like a nurse in the hospital, a grocery store clerk who has limited, if any, sick time.
I also learned the state is bringing in more than 1,000 out-of-state healthcare workers to assist with the expected surge of patients at hospitals and Omicron cases at long-term care facilities. There's a lot of concern that more than 1 million Oregonians still have not gotten vaccinated, and less than half of those eligible for a booster have not gotten one yet. The head of the education department once again says that most of the 1,300 schools are remaining open, and that's the plan, as long as there's adequate staffing. But we found out today student numbers will also play a role.
There is also the possibility that a school district may at some point during this Omicron surge move to distance learning because they have too many students who are experiencing either a quarantine or an isolation because they are ill. And the school districts are looking at continuity of instruction for all students.
Now, keep in mind that the peak in our area is not for about another 2 weeks, so seeing more school closures is highly likely. Back to you.